We've driven Land Rover's Defender V8, however the place of its introduction to the world is most likely justified regardless of a specify. JLR Classic Works in Ryton, Coventry. Imagined as a one-stop search for more established metal, consider it is a sort of SVR of the old, of which both Jaguar and Land Rover have an extensive surfeit, and a submitted and eager after of each. It's here that you can come to get a bona fide rebuilding or unobtrusive redesign from the general population that made the things in any case, which, in light of the cabin business of authorities that have jumped up around the two markets, includes a touch greater security, despite the fact that costs are without a doubt higher. This is unquestionably no backstreet task, however. The front of house is upscale and like a cutting-edge historical center, the worky bit at the back, an enormous church of old-fashioned JLR items stacked one end to the other. It's likewise squeaky shoe clean and stay away from on the off chance that you have an after effect brilliant, similar to some monster car working theater. Which, as it were, it is. It's on a modern scale, mind. This is a 14,000 square meter JLR A&E with a sideline and top quality restorative medical procedure, with 54 singular workshop straights and space for about 500 vehicles. This is the place they make the continuation Jaguar lightweight E-types, XKSSEs and D-types, the reborn autos, where each nut and electrical discharge great unique. Range Rover, Series Land Rover, or Old Jag is affectionately made new, and obviously, specials like the Defender V8. They'll do concours quality, where each and every wiper sharp edge and flathead screw is period amend, or patina rebuilding, where an auto is mechanically revived. However, the gouge that granddad put in the back quarter in '53 is left in characterful tribute. Truly, it's somewhat clinical and business feeling, yet the general population who work here appear to be to a great degree upbeat, and splendidly anally retentive about hitting the nail on the head, redesigning and revamping everything from glass washer containers to skeleton and trim pieces. It's valid that the more seasoned Series 1 Landies look a bit Disney consummate when given a full resto, yet the tender loving care is unquestionable. Even the refuse overspray under the hat should be as is it, since that is the means by which they exited the plant in the late 50s. The Range Rovers are heavenly, the types scarily great regardless of whether they're not really your stylish sack. You can even have a guided visit as a punter for around 50 quid, and simply the huge holding yard in the back is justified regardless of the cost of confirmation. Similar to the serried rank of XJ220s, Works is the place they benefit them more than I've at any point found in one place. It's an eye-opener.